All right, Melissa, you're having a lingering headache and then mainly right side going down the lymph node. Is that this one right here? Because I've been having a lot of stagnation in this. My lymph nodes kept getting blocked. That's right. I said I felt this energy that was just restricting on our lymph system and our immune systems and detox pathways that's causing this backup within us. So I'll check on this for you, Melissa, and it's probably going to connect with a lot of people who are feeling some of the similar energy. So there's an obstruction energy in that lymph node. The same thing was happening to me. Coming from outside forces. No. So the energy source that I'm finding, which is not that specific, but it's coming from outside of the earth. It's not from our sun. It's not from a specific planet. It feels like free floating particles that are able to come into the earth's magnetosphere. And I'm going to show you that in a little bit, why we're experiencing this right now and why things are coming through. It feels like disruptive universal energy that's meant to cause chaos for us, which it is. And I work on those forces that are creating this energy. Yes. Ready to proceed with this? Yes. And I'm just going to look at this energy now and see if it looks different. Okay, it feels a lot calmer. Is your lymph node free of this energy now? Yes, there's still a residue and like a resonance left behind. Think of it as an imprint. If you're walking in the snow, you leave behind this imprint. So I will release that. Clear it. Okay, it's cleared. Is this lymph open for you? Yes. Something, if you're not in my Telegram group, I encourage you to get there. I post a lot throughout the week in Telegram, a lot of different insights, and there's a great group of people there. I'll post that. But I posted about this divine masculine and feminine energy. Our masculine tends to be more on the right side. Feminine tends to be more on the left. And so if you're feeling more blockages and obstruction and pain on the right side, when you're doing your own individual shadow work, you might want to connect and see where you're having blockages in the masculine side. So Melissa, for you, it was the right side. For me, it was my right side too. Where are we blocking this? Because ideally, we want a balance of masculine and feminine within us. It doesn't mean that we're like transgender or anything. It's just this energy within us. It's within every person is balanced. And then we want it to have this divine union where it's fully integrated. And then we start working as a whole. We're not working as just, oh, I'm working as my, go-getter. What is masculine energy? It's structured. It's powerful, it's courageous, but there can also be toxic masculine. And then feminine it's mental. Feminine tends to be more emotional, feeling, soft. We want this integrated so that we're operating as a whole unit without any separation. This is the divine union that can happen within us. For us to really be a good partner to people or a good friend, even, we need to have a balance here. When we're overbearing and trying to like rule and control, then our masculine can be out of balance and, taking this higher stance that is more suppressive to the feminine. We want them aligned, balanced, unified. This is a lot of the shadow work I've been focusing on in the last month, is trying to integrate these so that they are balanced and aligned. So if this resonates with you, you might want to check on that. Here's Melissa. She said her lymph node definitely softened from that. So hopefully this makes a difference for you. In the long run. And this obstruction energy stops. But I want you to think about this week. Where are you having imbalances in your body? Is it right side, left side? Is it Could it be tied to something in masculine? For me, I've spent most of my life fearing the masculine energy because all of that energy I've been in contact with in my life has been very toxic and abusive, and I did not want anything to do with that. And so instead of like facing it and healing it, I tried to pretend that it didn't exist and just kind of bury it and just ruling with my feminine, my tenderness, my, like emotional side. But for us to be balanced, we need that structure and strength and stability of the masculine that is healed, not toxic. So if you can resonate with that, let me know. If you've been having, feelings on the right versus left side, it is always interesting to dig into that.